Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a Twitter account from your phone. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create an account in Twitter, you just simply have to open your app application, which was formerly known as Twitter. After opening the application, it will directly give you the option to create an account. Just simply click into this, and after that, select the language that you want. Then, click to the next button. After that, just simply enter your name into here. And after entering a name for your account, then enter your email address into the second box. Then, select a date of birth into here. After doing this, click to next again. And after entering all the details, just simply go to the mailbox of the Gmail that you have provided and enter the verification code into this box. Now, you just simply have to enter your mobile number into this box. And after entering the mobile number, click to the next button. After that, it will give a confirmation code into the phone number that you have provided. You just simply have to enter that confirmation code into this box. And after that, your Twitter account will be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.